And it got me to thinking a little bit about pandemics and direct primary care, and the fact that direct primary care enables someone to stay at home and be in essence quarantined.
Let's explain why. Because the doctor right now gets paid to see you in the office, but doesn't get paid for talking to you on the phone or over over Skype or whatever. It doesn't get paid for emailing back and forth. But yeah, you can be taken care of at home for a lot of things, and with the direct primary care model, the doc's getting paid either way. It doesn't matter.
What I love are the medical equipment, like just a simple pulse oximeter. They're $26 now for a very good unit with pulse as well as the blood oxygen level. That gives you a lot of good information along with temperature and perhaps blood pressure.
Sure.
At home. And this is less than, $100 easily.
Yeah. Yeah, and and that information can be readily transmitted to the doc. You don't have to come in to get your blood pressure taken or come in to get your pulse taken or come in to get your temperature taken. Just send it in.
Send it in and
for that matter, you can have your weight checked on a scale that sends it in, or your blood sugar checked in a system that just sends it right in.
When I go back and think about pandemics, I think about paging Bill Gates. You were wondering how to reduce the effect of a pandemic. Well, you ought to be looking at direct primary care.